Congratulations.
Well done, Chris.
Thank you.
Chris,
All right.
can you put into words how you feel?
I can't actually, no. I'm obviously extremely proud, and we're excited. We've just beaten a top team, and I think as well in the way we did it. You know, we really had to fight hard, and it wasn't a typical performance. You know, we never played great football really. We threatened at times, but what we were was we were together. We took pride in defending tonight, defending crosses, stopping crosses. We denied Belgium the space that they normally like to work in. So whilst that's maybe not so pretty, it's effective, and it got us the result that we needed.
Have you worked it out yet? I mean, you're group leaders, you've just beaten the group favourites. How many more points, Chris? You must be able to feel France, touch it even.
I think, you know, when you win tonight, we're top of the group. We've played 6 games. It's different when you're 2 or 3 games in. It's nice to be, you know, top of the group. We're 6 games in, we're over halfway mark, and we're top. It's about us and what we do. But we said it from the start, you know, we said we respect all the teams we're up against, but it's about us. And if we can get it right, then we'll get what we want. And we're getting it right, and we're getting what we want. But there's work to do, we know that. You know, the next game, again, every time we win a game, the next one's even bigger, no matter who we play. It's all about points. And so we're going to enjoy this tonight. And, you know, the players and my staff and the Welsh public, they should enjoy it and get excited. So we're not going to play that down. We've just got to live up to expectations in the next game.
And the World Cup draw, I know you're thinking Euros, of course, but World Cup draw July the 25th, you'll be in the top seeds. That's astonishing, Chris.
It is actually. I think in the last 2 years, I think we've lost once, and that was away to Holland. So that, you know, it doesn't happen overnight. You know, we've been chipping away at it for a long time, and because, you know, my staff are absolutely fantastic. They work so hard when we're on camp, and you know, we literally after we've had a get together, we're all exhausted because we try to maximise, and if we can gain a little 1% here or there, you know, we work hard for that. And I'm delighted for my staff, and of course the players have been brilliant, and they'll look at that, and we're in pot 1 for the World Cup, and the rankings are very healthy, as best as we've ever been. So what we got to do is not play it down. You know, let's not say, oh, you know, we've been here before. Well, yeah, we know that we've been here before, but this is our own journey. You know, in many ways we're trailblazing really, and we've never been as high as we are at the moment in the rankings. We're top of the group, 6 games in, 12 points to play for. 2 games at home, 2 games away. Anybody can do the maths. So we've just got to keep marching on.
Last one, I've left it till last. Gareth Bale, what else can you say about him? He's walking off on one leg, but he scores a golden goal on his golden cap day.
Well, one thing we said to the players before the game: make sure you leave it all on the pitch. Don't bring anything back in the dressing room. And I think when we got the supporters tonight, I've never seen anything like that. And singing the national anthem, the noise was incredible. And that was absolutely amazing. And we responded. And the players, to be fair, they trudged off at the end. And if it had gone another 5 minutes, we may have been in a bit of trouble. But you can't ask for more than that. I couldn't ask for any more from the supporters. They give us everything they had and more. And the players on the pitch, you know, they replicated that and come off with nothing in terms of energy, but they come off with everything in terms of the points.
Last one, you said beforehand you were more excited with this game than any other in your career, player or manager. Are you more proud now than you've ever been?
I've got to say that's my most enjoyable victory as a manager, for sure. It's a huge victory, and it's not just because it's Belgium and they're ranked number 2, but they joined top with us. They were, and now we've gone top. So, and like I said, we've not 2 or 3 games in. We're over halfway now. We've run out of games. Teams are running out of games. So it's a massive result. It's my most favourable result, if you like. But I still think there's a bigger one to come in this campaign.
Happy birthday! Some birthday celebration, that.
Yeah, well, it will be tonight. I'm going back to my mum's house in Swansea tonight, so I'll have a nice glass of wine and a relax.